Hello and welcome to the launch of Dropship Profit Code. In this video, I'm going to peel back the curtain on the strategies that have helped us generate over $900,000 in the last 12 months and how you can build a lifestyle business that you love and takes care of you and your family. The number one problem faced by struggling internet marketers is how do we build a business that stands out from the crowd, that pays well, that leaves us with plenty of time to enjoy life and won't just crash and burn in a heartbeat. I'm here to tell you that today you have found that system. Stop jumping from business model to business model, buying software after software. Pick a model that is proven to work and will last a lifetime and run with it. Dropship Profit Code is that system. We are here to share with you the strategies that are literally the opposite of what everyone else is teaching, and that's exactly why they work so well. We're going to teach you how to zig when everyone else zags. Why in 2018 selling low-priced items on Facebook is absolutely not where you should be putting your time. Why Aliexpress is dead and you should avoid it like the plague. And how to find suppliers of truly high-quality products that are not available to the public and that pay upwards of $300 per sale on autopilot. If you follow this system and commit to it, you will build a business that runs with only an hour a day's work and pays more each month than most people earn in a year. And don't worry what level you are at, we've got you covered. Inside Dropship Profit Code, you get access to our Stage 1 7-day course for complete beginners, where we show you the very basics of our business. Stage 2 takes things up a notch, and we'll show you more details and the biggest things we have learned in this industry in the last 3 years. Finally, our Flagship Course is a 6-week step-by-step course that will show you everything in 100% detail with dozens of videos over 6 modules. We leave no stone unturned and will make sure by the time you get to the end, you have a business you can be proud of and can't wait to build your next profit-pulling machine. So what's this level of training going to cost? I've personally paid thousands of dollars for training of this quality, and this exact course has never sold for less than $197, but as high as $497. But for the next 3 days, we want to get a maximum of 300 people into our new course, so we have slashed the price to just $37. But in 3 days, the price will go back up to $197, and the doors will close to the public again. This is a once in a lifetime. Is there a guarantee? Yes, go through the course. Give it a fair shot and put the system into practice. If you don't have a business you are proud of, then send me a quick email and I will refund every penny, and thank you for your time in giving it a try. Our students have built 5-figure a month businesses in just a few weeks, and I hope you will be our next success story. See you in the members area if you get in time.